This is the cold press glass with the Bezel frame and also the OCA film together. And here we will use our OC vacuum laminator and the bubble remover to show you how to use this cold press glass with Bezel frame and the OCA film together. So first step, peel off the OCA film, the protector film on the OCA, and use the customized gold mold to do alignment for the cold press part with the LCD screen. This is the customized alignment mode for the cold press part, and it will have the slot for you to put the Bezel frame in. And then take out, and do not press the Okay, let's see what happens inside. Okay. So after this step, then you do not need to laminate the Bezel frame because the frame is attached already. So it can help you to skip one step and make the refurbish process more convenient. And if you do not change the polarizer film, then you just need the OC vacuum laminator and bubble remover. The two machines is okay, and then maybe you need one hot plate to help you to separate the cracked glass, so you can avoid to using too much machines.
可以了。